Hello students, today we are going to learn about future tense. Okay, so future tense talk about action that will happen in the future. I told you that time कि action that will happen in the future. It's called future tense. Okay, so verbs change depending on the time of action and state. So we have to look at a verb to understand its tense. Okay, my dear students, we have already learned about the simple present tense, continuous tense and simple past tense and simple continuous tense. So today we are going to learn about simple future tense. Okay, so here is one paragraph. I will read and you have to listen carefully. We shall go for a picnic tomorrow. We shall go for a picnic tomorrow. My father will drive us to the sport. My mother will pack sandwiches for us. We will swim in the sea. My sister and I will make sand castle. Our friends will join us later. Okay, my dear students, shall go, will drive, will pack, will swim, will make, will join are all the verbs that tell us about action simple future tense. Let us learn some more examples of the simple future tense. Okay? I told you, my dear students, simple future tense means what will happen in future. Okay, so let's see example. I shall clean my room later today. This sentence about telling an action that will happen in the future. Okay, so here is shall clean verb. Now how do we form the verbs in the simple future tense? Let us read the sentence again. I shall clean my room later today. So what is the verb here? Shall clean is the verb here, and this is showing future action. And how do we form of the verb shall clean? What is the base verb here? Here is the base verb clean. Everybody knows about base verb. Action words are called verbs. Doing words are also called verbs. So here is base verb clean. Okay? So form of verb in the simple future tense we use will, shall, okay, plus base verb. Okay, so you must remember, keep in your mind one thing, you must remember that we use shall. We use shall only with I and we. Is it clear, my dear students? So we use shall only with I and we. I shall clean my room later today, and I will clean my room later today. Both can be used, but we use shall only I or we. Okay? So how do we form verbs in the simple future tense? So we use will or shall along with the base verb. We use will or shall along with the base verb. Okay? And I told you that we use shall only with I and we. But I shall clean and I will clean. Both can be used. Okay? But only shall you only use with I or we. Next example, it will rain next week. Read again, it will rain next week. So this sentence is giving as a prediction. Predictions means, my dear students, bhavishyavani, है ना? Means we talk about in future, na? Future planning. So it will rain next week. This sentence is giving as a prediction that it will rain next week. So this sentence is in this simple future tense. How have we formed the verb? Will rain. Will rain we have added with to the base verb rain. Base verb here, base verb is rain. Okay. So sentence, it will rain next week. Come to the next example. Next month she will be next month she will be 5 years old. Okay. So what is the verb here? Will be. Will be. And how is it formed? Is telling us something. We have added will to the verb be. Base verb here, base verb is be. Okay, so it's telling us something that will happen in the future. So this sentence is the simple future tense. Okay, it means next month she will be 5 years old, and here base verb is be, and we have added will to the verb be. Okay, come to the next one. I will do my homework tomorrow. Again read the sentence. I will do my homework tomorrow. Okay, so what is the verb here? Will do. Will do. And it is form of the base verb do. Form of the base verb do. So it is telling us something that will happen in the future. Okay. Next, I will plant trees. So what is the verb here? Will plant, and base verb here plant. Okay. So these sentences example of future simple future tense. Okay. Now you have learned some example with simple future tenses with fill in the blanks, use of will and shall. So can you fill in the blanks with simple future tense? Fill in the blanks with will or shall. Riya dash the room for his brother's birthday party. Here is two options. Decorate, will decorate. Which one is correct? I told you we are talking about future simple tense. Okay, simple future tense, and we use will and shall. So what will be the correct answer here? We know that the form of verb is the simple future tense. We use will and shall. We use will and shall plus base verb. Okay. So decorate here is the base verb. So our correct answer is will decorate. So Riya will decorate the room for his brother's birthday party. Okay. Come to the next one. I dash in the competition tomorrow. Swim and will swim. Same here, because of what will be the correct answer? We know that the form of verb in the simple future tense, and we use will and shall. So I will swim. Here is will swim correct answer. Okay. Next, the land dash a desert. Become or will become. Here is will become a desert. I dash pizza tonight. Eats or will eat. Will eat. Okay.